Okay, so I've seen so many different life hacks all over the place. Some of them I'm like, oh, that's a really great tip. I'm totally gonna try that out. Others I'm like, seriously? That would work? Really? Or no way, there's no way that's gonna work. So I saw one recently that I just had to try out for you guys to see if it works. I saw that someone said that if you put car wax, like turtle wax, on your stainless steel appliances, that they will resist fingerprints. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm really interested to see. So it doesn't matter how often I clean my refrigerator, it always has fingerprints. It actually looks pretty good right now. Down here, you can see all kinds of streaking. A lot of times this water will run down here. I think that's a footprint from someone closing the freezer door with their foot. And then all up here, it's just constantly covered in fingerprints. I cleaned this probably 2 or 3 days ago, and it's already so bad. The other day I bought some car wax from Walmart, turtle wax in fact. I thought it would be kind of fun to wear my Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle shirt to be able to turtle wax the front of my refrigerator.
We're really hip.
I'm going to thoroughly clean the front of my refrigerator, and then I'm gonna apply a coat of this wax on there and buff it in, rub it in. And then I'm going to show you after about 3 days and after 5 days and a week, we'll see the results. See if this really does resist fingerprints. Okay, it looks really good. I just cleaned it all down and I dried it off. We are going to apply some turtle wax now. Okay, so inside the lid comes this little sponge applicator. It says to get it damp, so I'm gonna do that. And then you put a little bit of the product on and you just rub it in until it gets kind of hazy. And then you can go back with a soft cloth and buff it all out to make it really look nice. So hopefully this will leave a coating over the front of my stainless steel refrigerator, and it will resist getting fingerprinted this week.
Wax on, wax off.
Wax on, wax off, hey, wax on, hot, wax off.
So now I have a dry, clean cloth that I'm going to buff the surface with. Okay, so it definitely shined up the front of my stainless steel refrigerator, but look at all the smudging. I don't know if I did something wrong. I don't know. I don't think this is really what it should look like. But let's just try this out. Fingerprint, still there, I can see it. It does wipe off really nice and easy. So now my refrigerator looks smudgy. I'm thinking this is a fail. Okay, so it's been a few days and I still have all the streaks, of course. I don't know, the fingerprints don't seem to be a little bit resistant from the fingerprints. I just saw some back in there under the handle, but I think that's more from dirty hands. So I'm gonna try this again, see if I can do a better job of buffing it out, and maybe it'll work. So this is a maybe. We'll see how it goes. Let me know if you guys have tried this, or let me know what works best for you in keeping your stainless steel looking really shiny and nice and to resist fingerprints and smudges. Have a good day, y'all.